Sending cold email is still one of the best strategy to get sales for your business, to get clients for your business. But it only works when you combine this with the hyper personalized emails, right? If you just send the random bulk emails or just copy and paste emails, it won't work. And today I will show you how you can build an AI agent that will help you to write this email, which is hyper personalized and send in bulk as well. So here I already wrote and test out this thing. So if I show you this, you see, I just created one email for the Tony Robbins. I noticed your recent announcement about the Thrive in 2025 event aiming to empower individuals to launch their own side income based on personal stories. So here it actually bring the latest info or the whatever the business is doing, whatever that prospect is doing. So it collect all the information about that business, right, from their different social medias like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, right, from their website. It collect all the information from different places, right, and then create the hyper personalized email for that and send it to that client, so you get the highest conversion rate for your cold emails and the maximum sales out of that, right? So I will show you how you can build this agent. I will give you the walkthrough of it. So first thing that I will do over here is the Google Sheet, right? So every time when you fill something, some data over here in the Google Sheet, all right, it will be your client outreach list. You put the data over here, it will be taken by the AI agent, right? Then AI agent, after taking the data, start doing the action over here. So it will take the OpenAI chat model to write the email for it. It will use a think model to do the smart thinking, right? And then the SERP API to actually do the research for that, to find out the client data on the Google. So let me show you how it actually works. And the best part about this, we are using Think Note, and which makes it more intelligent. As I already told in the previous videos, like how powerful Think Note is in the n8n, that makes it work so good. So here, if I show you the Think Note that how it works, so here it's saying one line summary. Tony Robbins is a okay. So Tony Robbins is a renowned motivational speaker and life coach offering high value personal development and business coaching programs. Current stage mature, he was established a significant audience with ongoing event offerings, major time wasting process, manual follow ups, customer engagement, and content distribution across multiple social media channels. Right. So I'm saying like where so my agent did the research, right? So I just take an example for the Tony Robbins, but you can do it with any of your prospect. So here I figured that out. My agent, AI agent, do the research, figure out that the client is spending most of their time on like wasting their time on the manual follow up with the clients, putting the content on social media that now can automate. So here I said like automation suggestion, automate social media response, lead nurturing, and webinar follow up could free up substantial time. Strategic offering reference the Thrive in 2025 event. So it says like how you can start the email, what you can talk about it, and what is the service that I can provide that help them. So when you make the email so personalized, so hyper target to your audience, to your particular prospect, the chances of getting conversion is much higher, right? So the best part about this agent is like thing, but also this node, this AI prompt. So I will show you the prompt that I use in this agent. Okay. So the quick description of this prompt. So here I said it. You are a deeply analytical strategic outreach AI assistant. You are connected with the following tools. So I give the list of the tools that I connected with. Then I give it an objective. So you have done extensive research on their brand, business model, tone, and current struggles. Then all those other things I mentioned over here. Okay. Then here you see. So I also tell it like what to scrap from the website. So from website, it have to see their business model, their program product, target audience, funnel, lead magnet, pain point, recent offer launches, everything. Right. What it have to pick from the social media, I give the list of that. Then specific golden nuggets, right? Use that for the email to write. So specific sentences they have posted, repeated pain points, unique phrases or words. So after combining all these things, after doing the proper research, this AI agent write the hyper personalized email, right? So when I say the hyper personalized, it means like it's not just randomly copy and paste email, that the same email that everyone is sending to their to the people to and expecting to get the business out of that. It won't work. It used to work in the past, but now it won't work. So you have to send the personalized email, and now it only works when you send in bulk. And how you can do that? Simply with the help of this AI agent, AI automation. You don't need to do anything. It will take the prospect list that you keep putting over here, and after that it will do the action, like it will do the process, do the research, build the email, right? Double check the email with the help of think note, think smart before sending the email out, that is there anything else it need to do, and then it will send the email out, right, using the Gmail. So depends on if you are using the Gmail, or if you wanted to use your own email providers, like if you are using the Go High Level, MailerLite, or uh, 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 mail ConvertKit. So you can use all those different tools as well. You have to combine that over here so it can send out the email for you, right? So here I just, for the example, I combined this email, right? And here, so let me show you guys. Let's try this thing right now and see how this works. So I already tested with that Tony Robbins thing. So let's test with someone else. I will do search for famous life coach just for an example. Okay. So I can take their data out of it. So let this name is coming. So let's use that, and let me remove all this. Okay. So here what I will do, first I will take their website link. Okay. Add it over here in the website section. Well, too big website, isn't it? Contains a lot of things. Anyways, here I have to figure out their name. So Nick Hatter. Okay. So I have to put their name, Nick Hatter. All right. Then let's see if they have any social media or their email ID. So I can search for their, okay, here it is a Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. All right. So if you can provide these details like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, social media handles, then AI will get more information about your prospect before actually reaching out and writing the email for them, right? So if it's there, it's okay. If it's not, then only website will also help, right? But the more information you can provide, the more better and personalized email AI can write for you. Okay, and now I have to look for their email, but actually I'm not going to give it any email. So because I don't wanted to send the email in reality, so I will send out, I will give it my own email, so so that I receive that email. Okay, and then the Instagram, cool. Okay, and now I will give my own email over here. So, and basically well, let's say a test email. Okay, so okay, I just put a test random email because I don't want the send the real email right now. So when we are doing the testing thing. So for demo, let's try this. Okay, and I will test the workflow, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so we already input our details over here. Okay, and now we are testing the workflow. So let's see. Just make sure every detail is correct. Here it is already started. Now the AI agent is running and it is using different tools. So you see, first it's use a chat model, then use a SERP AI to do the searches, right? And it already do the tool searches, right? Now using the chat model again to see what the result is came and if it need to do the more search or not. So you can see it is continuously using different tools just to come up the final output. So maybe in the first time you don't come up with the final output, right? So maybe you have to do the research again, then again, right? So 2 3 times you have to come up with the look over the different things how a real human do. And here is keep running and doing the thing, and it's also think at the same time what you need to do. So you see it done the part, and yep, it's still doing the thing, thinking, cool. And now we have the, okay, email is actually going out, but the good thing is like I'm using a test email. So here let's see the logs first. Okay, you see how many times it actually run? That is crazy, isn't it? So here, let's see. AI agent first use the chat model, then SERP AI, SERP AI, SERP AI, again the chat model, then SERP AI. Okay, do the search, then chat model, then think model. So let's see what they think at this particular time. Okay, and this is the output. So let's see the output. So Tony Robbins is a personal development and business strategy expert. Okay, this is the old one and the new one. Okay, okay. Major. Okay, so it actually runs for the previous one. we have to run it for the we have to run the second time because the previous one was already in the queue, so it runs for that. Anyways, so let's test workflow again because we have to run for the second one now. All right. So now it is running for the second one, and let it run. So it is using the chat model, then the SERP API. Well, it is also pretty good for the, you see how many times it run for the previous output, previous thing in the list. So the first time I already run it for the testing purpose, and then I put that field again to show you guys. And that's why it first used that row and then the this one row. So what happens when you, for example, put the 10, 20 different rows, right? So it won't just run for the last one. It keeps run for the every single one when you activate it from here. Okay, so it keeps run one by one for each of them. So you get the final output. So here the email is already out now. Well, anyways, let's see. So let's see the logs. You see how many times it run and how many times it use a think node to actually think before giving the output. And that is the best thing I love about this n8n AI agent. So I will, you can simply look at this over here. It's so beautiful. Okay. Think node, think node, think node. Let's see the final output. So let's see. I recently came across your profile and was impressed by your achievements, especially your presence on the platforms like BBC and Vogue, showcasing your expertise on psychotherapeutic life coach. Okay. So the trust you have built among clients and professionals speaks volumes. I also noticed your commitment to personal development and well-being on your social media, particularly when you mentioned the importance of effective client coaching. It made me think you are likely navigating a lot of scheduling and onboarding tasks manually at the moment. So I specialize in helping coaches like you automate process the client inquiries and appointment scheduling. So here I taken the example of one of the most renowned coach, which is like as it looks like. But so the point is that coach also have some kind of problems over here, like doing the manual things. And here I'm helping them with the using the AI and the automations to automate their process, the repetitive process, so they can focus more on the strategic part, doing the part that actually they like to do. So that's how, like, you see how beautiful this email come up after doing the research. So here doing the research at the multiple time, it's using this chat model again, then the SERP API to find the result. You see, it's streaming live and free from May to 5th. So it is also seeing this. Look, it's streaming live and free from May 15 to 17, 2025. This 3-day online experience brings together some of the most expected voices in personal growth and business, including Jay Shetty, Radhi Dev Lukia, Lisa Nicholas, Gary Becker. So he's maybe doing some kind of event where he's going to invite these people. So it is also figure out those kind of details and how from your social media, from their social media things, right? So from their Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. So it generate the figure out the data from there, and this is really beautiful. Okay, so it did all of this research. It think again, right, before giving the output. So over here you see. So what I think in the middle, like, is it this output is good? Is there anything else I need to process this, or anything else that I need to figure out the best email to route? And here it like did all the research and then finally tried as the hyper personalized email that we can send out to the prospect. And basically we don't have to send it manually. It also goes out automatically. So everything done by the AI itself, right? So this AI agent itself is one of the complete pack that can continuously bringing you the new clients, right? You just need to fill the seat and then everything will go out smooth. You just have to go on a call with a client and then book the meeting and close it, right? So it's that simple and that's cool. And here, because of the email is so personalized, you will get the higher response rate from there, right? So this is all for this video. If you wanted the prompt, if you wanted the whole template, right? If you want this whole template and the high, I will update this template a little more after that to add some more cool things in it. And if you want to download that, you can simply go on my school membership and download this whole template. If you want my step-by-step process to create this from this agent, or want my prompt, you can get from my school membership. You can join my school membership where I talk about the AI automations, AI agents, and how you can use these AI tools and automations in your business to save your time so you can spend your time on what you like to do, what you love to do, right? This is what my goal is. This is what I feel the goal of every entrepreneur, because that's the reason like why they started this entrepreneur journey, to save more time and live more. But actually they stuck in their business more. Instead of doing the less, they are doing more and enjoying less. So that's what I wanted to do, help the business owners, help the entrepreneurs to enjoy their life more. So if you want that, you can simply join my AI membership. And if you love to watch these kind of videos, you can subscribe my channel. I will upload more videos like this. And a lot of videos are already planned and I will keep posting that. So you can subscribe my channel to get more cool videos like this. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.